Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area. What is perimeter? What is area? What is perimeter? We can simply explain that perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape or the boundary that surrounds the shape. How we can find the perimeter? Now we know what is perimeter. As per the definition, if you walk around your school playground, that is the perimeter of the ground. Suppose your ground is rectangle shape, you has been completed one round. That is, you started from point A when you reach point B. You has been completed one side, same like that when you complete other three sides. You has been completed one times. That is length of the ground AB, width of the ground BC, again length of the ground CD, and again width of the ground. We can see that in the rectangle the two sides are parallel and equal. So perimeter of the rectangle P equals length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. P equals 2 liters plus 2B equals 2, L plus B. L equals length of the ground and B equals breadth of the ground. Then students, keep your mind, perimeter of the rectangle P equals 2 into L plus B. Now we had learned perimeter and the equation. What is area? The area is a measure of the space contained within an object. Example, in front of your blackboard, how much space has been occupied, that is the area of the board. Then area of the rectangle is length into width. Area of the rectangle equals L into B. Then I will repeat again. Perimeter of the rectangle P equals 2 into L plus B. Area of the rectangle equals L into B. Now we know what is area, what is perimeter, and how we can find the area and perimeter. Okay, let's see the exercise. Exercise 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 50 meter and 30 meter respectively. Find its area and the cost of the land, if 1 meter square of the costs Rs. 1000. Okay, what we'll do? If you get any problems like that, first read the problems carefully. See the available information in the questions. Here rectangle plot. Length and breadth are available. Then as per the question we need to find out the area and total cost of the plot. Okay, then start. Solution. Length of the plot equals 50 meter. Breadth of the plot equals 30 meter. Cost of the plot equals Rs 1000/meter square. Area of the plot equals? Total cost of the plot equals? Here we don't know area and total cost of the plot. We know the equation of the area. Area of the rectangle equals L into B. Give the value of length L and breadth B, then L is 50 and next is into sign mark. So give the sign mark and next is breadth value. That is 30. See here, what is saying equation. The equation saying that area of the rectangle is equal to length of the rectangle multiplied by the breadth of the rectangle. So length 50 into breadth 30 equals 1500 meters square. Now we got the area of the plot. Next is how can find the total cost of the plot. We know the cost of per meter square. That is 1 meter square is equal to 1000 rupees. Then total square area of the plot is 1500. So total cost equals area of the plot into cost of the plot per meter square. 1500 into 1000 equals 15 lakh. Exercise 2. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land, if its area is 350 meters square and the length is 25 meter, and also find the perimeter. First what we'll do? Write down the available details from the questions. Here rectangle length is available. How much that is 25 meter. Next, what is available? Okay, rectangle area also available here. How much that? Area of the rectangle is 350 meters square. Now all available details have been wrote here. Then what is the next step? What need to be finding out? We don't know the breadth of the rectangle. See here area and length are available. Then area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Give the values, that is area is 350 is equal to length 25 into breadth B. Then breadth is equal to 350 divided by 25 is equal to 14. Breadth of the rectangle is 14 meter. Okay, next is perimeter. How can find that? Students, what is the equation of perimeter? Yes, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus P. Have available all values? Please see. Length and breadth are available now. Then perimeter P equals 2 into L plus P. Give the values from top is equal to 2 into length 25 into breadth 14. 25 plus 14 is equal to 39 is equal to 2 into 39 is equal to 78 meter. So perimeter is 78 meters and breadth of the rectangle is 14 meters. Exercise 2. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeters. If the length is 35 centimeters, find the breadth, also find the area. First, what we'll do? Write down the available details from the questions. Here rectangle perimeter is available. How much that? Is 100 centimeter. Next, what is available? Okay, rectangle area and length are available here. How much that? Perimeter of the rectangle is 100 centimeter and length is 35. Now all available details have been wrote here. Then what is the next step? What need to be finding out? We don't know the breadth of the rectangle. Here perimeter and length are available. Then perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length L plus breadth P. Give the values. That is perimeter 100 is equal to 2 into length 35 plus breadth P. Perimeter 100 divided by 2 is equal to length 35 plus B. We don't know the value of B. Then 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Then breadth P equals 50 minus 35 equals 15. Breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. Okay, next is area. How can find that? Students, what is the equation of area? Yes, area is equal to L into B. Have available all values? Please see. Length and breadth are available now. Then area A equals L into B. Give the values from top. Is equal to length 35 into breadth 15. Is equal to 525. So area is 525 centimeters square. And breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. Exercise -8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 rupees per meter square. Write down the available details from the questions. Here door length and breadth are available. And wall length and width are available. What need to be finding out? Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Rate of whitewashing per meter square is 20. Length of the door is 2 meter. And breadth of the door equals 1 meter. First find the area of the door. We know the door shape is rectangle. That length and breadth are given the question. Then door length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Then we know the area of the rectangle is L into B. So length L is 2 meter. Into breadth P is 1. Is equal to 2 meters square. The area of the door is 2 meters square. What is next step? Yes, next find the area of the wall. Repeat the same process again. Area is equal to L into B. How much wall length? Yes, 4.5 meter. Next wall height. The wall height is 3.6 meter. Then area is L into B. So length is 4.5 into breadth 3.6 is equal to 16.2 meters square. Area of the wall is 16.2 meters square. And area of the door is 2 meters square. We got both area. Now how can calculate the rate of whitewashing? We are whitewashing only wall area, so first door area deduct from wall area. Then wall area minus door area. Equals 16.2 minus 2 equals 14.2 meters square. Now got whitewashing area. Next is find the total cost for whitewashing. Whitewashing charge is 20 rupees per meter square. Then total cost is 14.2 into 20 is equal to 284 rupees. Then total cost is 284 rupees.